Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 11, Presenting Data with Charts. Charts are pictorial representations of data. Now student, pictorial means what? Expressed in pictures. A chart provides the clarity and visual impact that make your data come alive in such a way that difficult concepts and comparisons become immediately understandable. Excel provides various types of charts. First, the line chart. Line graph, also called a line chart or run chart, is a simple but powerful tool and is generally used to show changes over time. Line graphs can include a single line for one data set or multiple lines to compare two or more sets of data. The essential components of a line graph are the same as other charts. A line chart shows the trends in data at equal intervals. Line charts are useful for depicting the changes in a value over a period of time. Depicting means, students, to show something in a painting or drawing. Column chart. Column charts are useful to visually compare values across a few categories or for showing data changes over a period of time. A column chart typically displays the categories along the horizontal axis and the value along the vertical axis. The bar chart. A bar chart illustrates comparisons among the individual items. A bar chart is a graph that shows horizontal bars with the axis values for the bars displayed on the bottom of the graph. It is a graphical object used to represent the data in your Excel spreadsheet. You can use a bar chart when you want to compare values across categories. The category text is long and difficult to display in a column chart. You want to show duration in a graph. The XY scatter chart. Scatter charts are typically used for showing and comparing numeric values like scientific, statistical, and engineering data. It combines X and Y values into single data points and shows them in irregular intervals or clusters. You want to change the scale of the horizontal axis. An XY chart plots each point with a mark and connect the points in each series with a line. The XY chart is sometimes referred to as a scattered chart because it is often used without any lines connecting the data markers. The pie chart. Pie charts are used to display the contribution of each value slice to a total pie. Pie charts always use one data series. A pie chart is used to plot the data for a single data series. Each data point is represented by one slice of the circular pie chart. Slice means value. The donut chart. The donut chart is a built-in chart type in Excel. Donut charts are meant to express a part-to-whole relationship where all pieces together represent 100%. Donut chart works best to display data with a small number of categories 2 to 5. Unlike a pie chart, this can contain more than one data series. Each ring of the donut chart represents one data series. The area chart. An area chart is similar to a line chart with one difference. The area below the line is filled with a color. Both a line chart and an area chart shows a trend over time. In case you are only interested in showing the trend, using a line chart is a better choice, especially if the charts are to be printed. An area chart emphasizes the magnitude of changes in data over a period of time. It is similar to a line chart but plots the data series one on top of another, producing a total. The 3D surface chart. The default surface chart type where data is displayed from a 3D perspective. This chart type resembles a 3D column chart. Surface chart plots data on a three-dimensional surface in a similar way that topographic maps visualize elevation. The colors and the pattern represent values within the same range. This chart type is especially useful for finding the optimum result when comparing two or more sets of data. Cone, cylindrical and pyramid charts. Excel also allows representing selected information in conical, cylindrical and pyramid charts. Thank you.